In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gnucash, a personal and small business financial accounting software designed to track your income and expenses with ease. Let's dive right in and get started on understanding its functionalities. First things first, let's launch Gnucash. Whether you're using it for personal use or your small business, Gnucash offers a great range of features to help you manage your finances. Once it's open, you'll want to begin by setting up your chart of accounts. This is essentially the backbone of your financial setup in Gnucash. You're offered a wizard that guides you through the creation of a basic structure with top-level accounts. These include assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. The beauty of this system is that you can customize it to suit your specific financial needs. This creates a solid foundation from which to track all financial transactions. Once your chart of accounts is set, the next critical task is entering and managing transactions. To do this, you'll need to open the account register for any of your accounts, like your checking account. You can do this simply by double-clicking on the account. This allows for manual entry of transactions. This is an excellent way to keep your records up to date and ensure you've captured every financial exchange. When entering a transaction, include key details such as the date, description, and amount. For accurate bookkeeping, the transfer field is crucial, as here you'll select the corresponding expense or income account from your chart of accounts. This way, every transaction is properly categorized. This granularity in record-keeping helps provide a clear picture of your financial health over time, enabling better financial planning and budgeting. Whether you're monitoring closely for a small business or personal finance, running reports and analyzing your data is incredibly valuable. To do this, you can select Run Report or navigate directly to the Report section. With Gnucash, you can generate various reports that give diverse insights into your financial data. These reports are instrumental in understanding the financial position and performance over specified periods. One particularly helpful report is the budget versus actual spending comparison. This feature lets you see how your spending aligns with your initial budget. It highlights areas where you've either overspent or managed to save more than you anticipated. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about future spending and budgeting strategies. And there you have it, a concise guide to getting started with Gnucash. With these steps, you should be well on your way to effectively managing your finances. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your accounting software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.